In the realm of road safety, we believe in more than just helping you pass your road test. We aim to equip you with the skills required to be a safe, confident, and responsible driver. Our method is unique, tailored to you as an individual, considering your learning type, comfort zone, and skill level. The art of imparting the skill is the easy part. The real challenge lies in coaching and guiding our students to enhance their abilities through repetition and self-evaluation. Why not train with industry leaders? We emphasize skills such as decision-making, situational awareness, and defensive driving. As your training concludes, we conduct a mock road test to ensure you're absolutely ready. Rest assured, we are fully licensed, bonded, and insured. From driving lessons for Class 5 and 7 road tests, refresher lessons, to special lessons for students new to the country, we've got it all. We focus on defensive driving techniques and also offer road test packages and car rentals. Remember, road safety is everyone's responsibility. For information on our pricing and packages, do visit our website at thedrivingcoach.ca.